LifeLite 101, Science News.
Short story about James Webb Telescope.
The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is a space telescope which conducts infrared astronomy. As the largest optical telescope in space, its high resolution and sensitivity allow it to view objects too old, distant, or faint for the Hubble Space Telescope. This will enable investigations across many fields of astronomy and cosmology, such as observation of the first stars, the formation of the first galaxies, and detailed atmospheric characterization of potentially habitable exoplanets. The U.S. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, led JWST's design and development and partnered with two main agencies, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA. The NASA Goddard Space Flight Center, GSFC, in Maryland managed telescope development. The Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore on the Homewood campus of Johns Hopkins University operates JWST. And the prime contractor was Northrop Grumman. The telescope is named after James E. Webb, who was the administrator of NASA from 1961 to 1968 during the Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo programs. The James Webb Space Telescope was launched on December 25, 2021 on an Ariane 5 rocket from Kourou, French Guiana, and arrived at the Sun-Earth L2 Lagrange point in January 2022. The first JWST image was released to the public via a press conference on July 11, 2022. JWST's primary mirror consists of 18 hexagonal mirror segments made of gold-plated beryllium, which combined create a 6.5-meter diameter, 21 feet, mirror, compared with Hubble's 2.4 meters, 7 feet 10 inches. This gives JWST a light collecting area of about 25 square meters, about 6 times that of Hubble. Unlike Hubble, which observes in the near ultraviolet and visible, 0.1 to 0.8 micrometers, and near-infrared, 0.8 to 2.5 micrometers, 12 spectra, JWST observes in a lower frequency range, from long-wavelength visible light, red, through mid-infrared, 0.6 to 28.3 micrometers. The telescope must be kept extremely cold, below 50 K, minus 223 degrees Celsius, minus 370 degrees Fahrenheit, such that the infrared light emitted by the telescope itself does not interfere with the collected light. It is deployed in a solar orbit near the Sun-Earth L2 Lagrange point, about 1.5 million kilometers, 930,000 miles, from Earth, where its 5-layer sunshield protects it from warming by the Sun, Earth, and Moon. Initial designs for the telescope, then named the Next Generation Space Telescope, began in 1996. 2 concept studies were commissioned in 1999, for a potential launch in 2007 and a $1 billion budget. The program was plagued with enormous cost overruns and delays. A major redesign in 2005 led to the current approach, with construction completed in 2016 at a total cost of $10 billion. The program was plagued with enormous cost overruns and delays. A major redesign in 2005 led to the current approach, with construction completed in 2016 at a total cost of $10 billion. The high-stakes nature of the launch and the telescope's complexity were remarked upon by the media, scientists, and engineers.
For more science and technology news, subscribe and like our channel.